on Why Do We Need to Know This, we'll learn how to add 3-digit numbers. We'll also learn how to subtract 3-digit numbers. And we'll discover how we can use these skills to compare weights of animals, count gold coins, and even declare ourselves video game champions.
Last round. I got this.
No way.
No, wait. No. Don't do it, no.
Yes! Hey, April. Hey, Marcos.
Hey, Adesina. I'm just schooling Marcos in our new virtual reality game, Protectors of the Kingdom.
You might have won this round, but I'm the all-time champ.
Let's find out the total number of points we each scored for this last round and the previous one. Then we will know who the real winner is.
Fine. Let's prove it.
Yeah, let's see.
Check out these numbers.
Wow. I've never added 3-digit numbers before.
I've only added 2 digits before. Oh, well, let's just call it a tie.
Not so fast. I'm pretty sure I'm today's champion, and I'm going to prove it. I bet we can use place value to add 3-digit numbers.
That's exactly right. Adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers uses math skills you already know.
Sounds interesting, but why else do we need to know this?
There are many reasons. I can show you that this knowledge can allow us to compare weights of animals, count gold coins, and even declare ourselves video game champions. Let's explore! First, let's review some background information that'll help us solve these problems, like place value.
Place value is the value of a digit based on its position in a number.
Take, for example, the number 359. The 9 is in the ones place, the 5 is in the tens place, and the 3 is in the hundreds place.
These base 10 blocks can help us visualize each place value. The number 359 is made up of 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 9 ones. Together, it is 359.
So, 359 is really 300 plus 50 plus 9. But 359 is much more convenient to say.
And right.
But what happens if we add 1?
I know. There are now 10 ones, so we have enough to make another group of 10, which we move into the tens place.
Oh yeah, a group of 10 ones can be represented as 1 in the tens place.
Now we have 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 0 ones, which equals 360.
Excellent. If you need more practice with place value, check out our video called Place Value, ones, tens, and hundreds. In this video, we're going to focus on adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers. Let's check out the first example. Adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers can help us at the gym. If we have one weightlifter who can lift 118 kilograms, and another weightlifter who can lift 234 kilograms, how many kilograms can they lift working together?
I know. We can find that by adding 234 plus 118 to find the total weight we lift together.
I think one strategy we could use to add those numbers is to separate each number by place value and then add those place values together, just like we do with 2-digit numbers.
Great idea. Give it a try and see.
234 can be separated into 200, 30, and 4. And 118 can be separated into 100, 10, and 8. Now we just add the place values together. Let's start with the hundreds place. 200 plus 100 equals 300, then the tens place. 30 plus 10 equals 40, and finally, the ones place. 4 plus 8 equals 12. So the answer is 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 12 ones.
Hold on a minute. We have a group of 10 hiding in the ones place. We need to regroup 10 of them into the tens place.
Good catch, Marcos.
So after regrouping, we have 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 2 ones. So they can lift 352 kilograms altogether.
Great job, that's right.
I just had an idea. What if we used the number line to solve this? We could start at 234, then jump forward 118 to add the numbers. To do that, we can first jump 100, then 10, then 8, and we land on 352, which is the same answer. It works.
Great job. You can solve this using place value or the number line. Both give you the right answer. Math doesn't just make your brain strong. It also makes everything strong.
Whoa.
Ahoy, mateys! I bet you didn't know that pirates have to add 3-digit numbers to tally up their gold doubloons.
I said pirates have to add 3-digit numbers to count their treasure?
Oh.
Let's say a group of pirates digs up a treasure chest with 497 gold coins. Oh. The next day, they find another treasure chest with 310 gold coins. How many gold coins would they have all together?
This problem seems hard, but if we break the numbers down by place value, it becomes easier to add them. 497 can be broken down into 4 hundreds, 9 tens, and 7 ones. 310 can be broken down into 3 hundreds, 1 10, and 0 ones.
And we can then add by place value. 400 plus 300 equals 700. 90 plus 10 equals 100. And 7 plus 0 equals 7. So we have 7 hundreds, 10 tens, and 7 ones.
It looks like we have to regroup the tens place this time, because 10 tens is 100. So let's make a group of 100 and put those in the hundreds place. So now we have 8 hundreds, 0 tens, and 7 ones, which is 807 coins in total.
Nice job! And there's actually an easier way to solve this. Let's look at the original numbers and see if you can take away from one number to add to the other number to make friendlier numbers.
Oh, I see it. 497 is only 3 ones away from 500. So we can take 3 from 310 and give it to 497 to make 500. And our total will still be the same. Then our addition problem will be 500 plus 307, which are friendlier numbers to work with.
I like the way you think. 500 plus 307 equals 8 hundreds, 0 tens, and 7 ones.
Arrgh! The pirates have 807 gold coins in total.
Jolly good!
I mean, correct.
Wait a second. I think we have a problem. These aren't real gold coins. It's just chocolate.
What? You gotta be kidding me. I crossed the Atlantic Ocean for chocolate?
Curses! Arrgh!
Thanks. Now that we know how to add 3-digit numbers, let's see how we can subtract them. For example, let's say 2 farmers raise pigs to show at the county fair. The first pig weighs 254 kilograms. The second farmer's pig weighs 133 kilograms. How much more does the first pig weigh than the second pig?
Let's subtract their weights to find out. The first pig weighs 254 kilograms, which is 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 4 ones. And we will take away the second pig's weight, 133 kilograms, which is 100, 3 tens, and 3 ones.
Excellent. Now you can subtract by place value. But remember, when subtracting, you always start with the greater number and subtract the lesser number.
So let's start with 254 and subtract 133. The hundreds place would be 200 minus 100 equals 100. The tens place would be 50 minus 30 equals 20. And the ones place would be 4 minus 3 equals 1.
So 100 plus 20 plus 1 is 121 kilograms. The heavier pig weighs 121 kilograms more than the lighter one.
Right, Marcos. You may remember that subtraction means to take a quantity away from another, but it also has another meaning. Finding the difference between 2 numbers, how far apart they are. Let's demonstrate.
So, for the problem we just did, We could have found the difference between 133 and 254 on the number line. We can do that by starting at the smaller number and then jumping forward until we get to the other one. We can jump 100, then 20, then 1 to land on 254. The distance is 121, which is the same answer we got before.
Great job. Both strategies are correct and give the same answer.
You're a mighty big pig, Adesina.
Pardon?
I named the pig after you.
Take it as a compliment, Adesina. Pigs are some of the smartest animals on the planet.
Yeah, I named the other one Einstein.
Hey, Einstein. Knowing how to subtract three-digit numbers can also help us sell t-shirts at a concert. Let's say a t-shirt seller at a concert starts with 900 shirts. At the end of the concert, there are 328 shirts left. How many shirts were sold?
Well, we can answer this question by figuring out 900 minus 328. The number 900 has 9 hundreds, no tens, and no ones. And we're taking away 328, which has 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones. 900 minus 300 is 600. But now what? I can't take away 2 tens from no tens, and I can't take 8 ones from no ones. Oh, I'm stuck.
Tricky. I know it looks like 900 has no tens or ones, but what if we regroup the numbers in the hundreds place? We could regroup 100 into 10 tens, then regroup one of those tens into 10 ones.
Good idea, April. Now each place has a value we can take away from. 800 minus 300 equals 500. 90 minus 20 equals 70. And 10 minus 8 equals 2. So the answer is 572.
Bravo! You two are clever. I wonder if there's a different way to solve the problem.
Let us guess.
A number line. We can find how far apart 328 and 900 are on the number line. Well, let's start at 328. Add 2 to get to 330, then add 70 to get to 400, and then add 500 to get 900. The numbers are 572 apart, which is the same answer.
By using a number line, we can clearly see the difference between 328 and 900 is 572.
Amazing! There are so many ways to solve a math problem that can give you the right answer.
And that's just one of the many reasons
Math rocks! With our new knowledge of how to add and subtract three-digit numbers, we can now figure out who is the video game champion. So go ahead and solve this.
I used a number line to add 454 plus 536, which is equal to 990.
And I used place value to add 532 plus 381, which is equal to 913.
990 is greater than 913. So I won.
Good job.
Thanks. Adding and subtracting three-digit numbers is a winning formula.
Great job. Let's review.
Today we learned how to add three-digit numbers.
We also learned how to subtract three-digit numbers.
And we saw how we can use these skills to compare weights of animals, count gold coins, and even declare ourselves video game champions.
And now you know why you need to know this. I'm Adesina.
I'm April.
I'm Marcos.
And until next time, remember,
Always question, always wonder.